Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hi everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we will return to discussion of the euro currency, and we'll start from the daily time frame. Well, what do we see here? First of all, looks like that everything is twisting and turning to the upside, and probably currently we see there's some development to the upside, and maybe this is what we have awaited for the long term. This may be the start of the momentum trade on the weekly time frame with the target around 145.58 area. The major idea of the momentum trade is that market very often, when it has a solid previous move, in our case this move was to the upside on the weekly time frame, after the initial plunge on the daily time frame it tends to continue it mechanically. So very often it leads to some deep retracement after initial plunge. Okay, so that's what we await for, and looks like we see some signs that it probably could happen. I do not want to tell that it has to. I do not can say definitely will market reach precisely this area, but this is very often happens that market reaches 618 resistance from the initial plunge to the downside. Well, but this definitely the signs of reversal, because we see some inside days. This, by the way, the weekly pivot support 1 stands. Okay, some attempts to break through the weekly pivot in yesterday's trading session, and today market shown some breakout to the upside. Also we see that unconfirmed trend turns bullish. Unconfirmed daily trend turns bullish. I said unconfirmed because as you know, we estimate trend only at closed price, only at confirmation. This current trading session, our trading session, has not been closed yet, so we have unconfirmed trend on the bullish side. Well, just above the market we see the first area of resistance, 143.30. That is also the weekly pivot resistance 1, stands right here. So we can see that market is neither oversold nor overbought, so there's no problem for market to continue to move to the upside, at least to this area. Also this is previous highs. Okay, but in general the major importance is that we see some acceleration to the upside, and probably we will see the deeper retracement, probably right to 145.60. Well, it's a bit early to talk about that, but we see some initial signs of bullish reversal here even on daily time frame. Now let's shift to the lower time frames to discuss what we could do in general today. The major problem still today is that it's Friday. Well, probably market will finish the current trading session on the positive environment, but the major clue to the probable scenario of further market developments, further market behavior, will tell us only the next week. Well, on the 4-hour chart we see that trend is definitely bullish. Here the crab pattern that we have discussed yesterday, that's almost the same as a butterfly. The major difference is that crab has this shallow initial retracement compared to butterfly. Butterfly could have deeper retracement, and the target of the crab 1618, extension of the resistance swing down. Okay, it's right here, and 224 or 3618 extension from this ABC move. As you can see, these targets are very close. 3618 stands 145.99. It's right here. 1618 target of the crab stands precisely at the hour weekly momentum trade target 145.58. So in general, roughly speaking, 145.50 area is the area to which was the possible target of this move to the upside. So here we see nice thrust to the upside. In general, we see some bullish upside momentum currently. What we could do today on the hourly chart, we see the false. If you have followed our yesterday's trading plan, then you now have the already bullish position, because you can say our trading plan was entering somewhere in this area 141 with the placing stop below 140.50. we said that if market really intends to continue move to the upside, it should not erase this thrusting bar to the upside. So that has happened. Well, personally I have long position precisely this area. Okay, so stop initial 140.50. It's right here. So if you have the long position, that's fine. Now you can manage it. If you do not have long position, well, this is not too late to enter on the long side of the market, because as we said, market is not at overbought. So potentially it could continue move to the upside at least to 133.30 area, where stands weekly period resistance 1 and initial daily fib resistance, 3 fib resistance. How to better to enter? Now you can see that market has hit 1618 target from this ABC pattern. By the way, you can see how Fibonacci extensions perfectly worked on this move. Look at this 618 target retracement, 100% retracement, 618. So we can count on some retracement to the downside. Hourly trend is bullish. It's right here. You can see. Well, you can see that initial fib support 141.94 stands precisely at an area of weekly pivot point. So that gives us excellent opportunity to entering from this area and place tight stop just below the 4-hour hourly confluence support 141.44, 141.56. It's right here, around 141.50 area. Just below this area you can place the stop. The stop will be logical. Why? Because this is confluence support and this area is below the weekly pivot point. So if market will show us the fake breakout and today will plunge below the weekly pivot point, this will be very bearish, and from that purpose you will not have any context to hold the long position anymore if market will move below the weekly pivot point. That's obvious. So from the other side, I do not want to see very deep retracement, because market has no barriers to continue move onto the upside on the daily time frame. The first resistance stands only right here, and market is not at overbought. So potentially market could show some very shallow retracement. I will try to suggest that probably market will not even reach this area. Maybe it will show retracement right to this, just the middle of the strong bar to the upside. Who knows? But from that point, previous highs, weekly pivot point, fib support 142 area to enter looks logical. Placing stop below this area also looks logical. Besides, it's rather tight. Okay, so that's my current view on situation. But in general, I suppose that major answer on the potential move to the upside to the 145.50 area will give us only the next week. Besides, there is a long holidays due to the Memorial Day on the United States. Well, I do not know will market show some significant moves anymore during today's trading session, but track for this 142 area. Probably market will give you opportunity to enter on the long side of the market. But again, it's better if market will show us gradual retracement to this area, maybe some 15-minute chart ABCD move with the agreement with 141.94 area, something like that. Although it happens something like that very often, but this move, gradual move, is preferable. Okay, so that's my current situation. Take a risk reasonable, and probably we will see a further upside development on the coming week. By the way, track for the release of weekly research that you dedicated to the euro currency. Here we will take a look on the monthly and weekly time frame, and also create the trading plan for the beginning of the next week.